Hello everyone, I am Travis. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Travis Gets Creative. Today I'm going to be unbagging/unboxing a cool gift that I received in the mail from Kokisha Warren over at Butterfly Kisses Customs. I will of course put all of her links down below. Some of you may know that she's also going to be one of the people leading the Phoenix Fantasy event in May, which is being hosted by both Kokisha and Nick's Dark Sky. So I will put all of that information down below as well, so you can join in if you would like to. It's shaping up to, or looking like it's going to be a really fun event, so definitely join in if you can. So this is a free gift. I did not pay for it, but I will be going back and buying more from the shop, of course, because Kokisha has added some wonderful, wonderful items. She has a lot of really cool tumbler designs. So as I was saying before I was interrupted, this is a gift from Kokisha Warren, so I did not pay for it. But I will be going back to buy more from her shop, because she has some wonderful tumblers and some great t-shirt designs on her shop. So definitely go check out to see what she has. They would make wonderful gifts for friends or family, for birthdays, holidays, anything like that. So it comes in this box, and on the top it has the sticker here. "You are the heart of my business," which is really sweet. There you go, now you can see it. When she contacted me, I was of course excited, and I had told her that I was going to be making a custom order request soon because I had something that I wanted to get. And she said, well, go ahead and send it to me, we'll take a look at it and kind of sort it out. And then it turned out that it was a free gift from her. So yeah, I'm really excited to show this to you and to see it for myself. So can you guess what it is? I think you can probably guess, right? It's not like it's a huge secret. So it has my custom logo on it. Isn't that cool? So it has Travis Gets Creative. There's a cute fox. I believe this is a 20-ounce tumbler, and it is, I don't know all the technical terms, but I believe it's double-walled, I think is what they call it. And that just means that the liquids you put in are going to be insulated. So you can use it for hot liquids or cold liquids, and they will stay hot or cold longer. And it comes with this cute card, which are the care instructions. It says, hand wash only, not dishwasher safe, not microwave safe, do not soak, handmade with love, so please handle with care. Thank you. And then you get this cute little lid here. It has the option that you can drink it from the lid if you would like, or you can put the straw in. The straw has these ridges on the bottom here, and that just keeps it from spilling out. Oh, there we go. It just keeps it from coming out. So when you have the lid and the straw in the container or the tumbler, you won't accidentally pull it out. So that's just a safety feature. Oh my gosh, it looks so cute. I really like it. Thank you so much, Kokisha. I love it. Yeah, I'll definitely be over to your shop looking for more stuff to buy. And I have some great news for the people that are looking at this video. I'm going to be doing a giveaway. Kokisha doesn't know this, but I'm going to be doing a $40 giveaway for her shop. So what you have to do to be eligible for that giveaway is I'm going to give you a word here in a few minutes, and you need to add that word into the comment section below. It's pretty common for YouTube giveaways with the diamond painting community now. So let's see, what should the word be? Something relevant, but something fun. Alright, since it's Butterfly Customs, Butterfly Kisses Customs, excuse me, the word is going to be butterfly. So put the word butterfly in the comment section below, and on April 4th, 2023 at, I'll say 1 p.m. Pacific, that's my time zone, I will close all the comments. Can you close the comments? I don't even know. I don't think you can. But what I'll do is at 1 p.m. Pacific, my time, on April 4th, I will go do that YouTube comment grabber thingy, and I'll record it, of course, so you all can see. And I will select one winner to receive that $40 gift card. So, surprise! Yeah, thank you so much. I definitely am really in love with this, and I'm going to use it all the time. Alright, I'm trying to think if there's anything I'm forgetting. The word is butterfly. Put that in the comments. April 4th, 1 p.m. Pacific. And yeah, I will also put the different ways to contact me below, because the winner will need to contact me with their information so that I can arrange that with Kokisha to get them that discount / coupon. And yeah, definitely go check out the site. As I said, there's wonderful items there, and more are being added all the time. So without further ado, that's it for me. Have a wonderful day. Try to do something nice for yourself, and I will see you on the 4th, if not before. Bye.